Hi everyone, you are here to learn about computer repair and maintenance. I am here to facilitate your training. Call me Samongi. How many of us here have encountered an issue with their computer, which is their phone, their tablet, or their PC? Yes, very cool. So, it is safe to say that it is a global concern since computers are everywhere. So, as I read on the board, the terms used to describe computer issues. Yes. 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 What are the issues?
Another word, yes, we have require
Updates. So, these are some of the words used to describe computer issues. Yes, interesting words, huh? As technicians, we are required to use terms and tools that are specific to this field. So, in this unit, we are going to be learning about troubleshooting. Troubleshooting. Remember that I'm going to share notes on this unit later. So remember that our classes are going to be more active and trainee oriented. And lastly, we are going to be learning about preventive maintenance. Yes, these are some of the subtopics that we are going to handle in this unit. Okay, so note them somewhere. This session will dwell on troubleshooting. This will make us computer detectives. Think about it this way. If your body is ailing, you visit a physician, right? When you get to the physician, they take you through steps where they try to figure out where the issue is coming from. They try to detect or to diagnose the illness or the trouble or the, what other word we use? Yes, the malfunction that is causing the illness. This is called troubleshooting in computer technology. An ill or trouble or a malfunctioning system leaves clues like, yes, like beeps. Yes, you see beeps. Yes, the system leaves clues like error messages or strange behavior or slow performance. And your job as a repair technician is to detect, to gather the clues and use a systematic approach to identify the cause of the trouble. It is only sound to have a checkup of a computer when it is not working as expected. Just like you would not train your body when it is ailing, or keep on trying to start your car when it is not starting. You have to seek technical help from a technician.